This video will introduce the basic operations of the C400 pocket camera. Tap the power button to power on. Once powered on, the camera will automatically enter the shooting interface. Swipe up on the screen to open the shooting mode menu. Swipe left or right to switch between different shooting modes. Tap the icon in the lower right corner to open the system settings. In this menu, you're able to adjust a variety of common settings. Tap the icon in the lower left corner to open the shooting settings for the current mode. You can fine-tune these settings based on your shooting needs. Return to the shooting interface. Swipe down to open the control center, where you can quickly enable the functions you need. Tap the Wi-Fi option. A QR code will appear for connecting the camera to the mobile app. Tap playback to view and manage your captured footage. Tap beep to turn the device sound on or off. Tap brightness to adjust the display brightness to your preference. Tap the portrait mode feature. You can switch to portrait mode. Tap the indicator light switch to choose whether you'd like the indicator light to be active. Tap stabilization to enable image stabilization. Tap again to switch to horizon stabilization. Tap noise reduction to enable the noise reduction mode.